Today's topic is spontaneity, and like the topic, this is not going to be scripted, it's not even going to be bullet pointed, so let's think about a topic together, okay? I know this is pretty bad for the algorithm, and I shouldn't even say that, but let's be real, okay? So, I was going to record a video today, and now it's like 3 p.m., and I'm like, oh shoot, I need to record a video today, and that's what I'm doing. So, I just found out a couple days after I uploaded the last one that the person I was inspired by to do this, they edited their videos to take the awkward silences out, and I never noticed that until now, and I'm like, that explains a lot. I think sometimes spontaneity can be difficult to achieve. It's a bit of a tricky word to say. I had to Google how to spell it properly. I'm very good at being spontaneous because that's basically what I do most of the time. I am trying to get better at being organized and planning more and not thinking about what and not thinking about the past 2 days. Thus far, most of what I've done is just, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I did this? And then I do it. And then I do something else, and that's basically how it goes. And just like, if I'm drawing too much, then I'll sing for a bit, and if I sing too much, I'll write for a bit, and if I write too much, I'll try to go outside. Has my laugh always sounded like Goofy? Am I just noticing that? Am I overthinking this? Oh no. What else? Let's not think about that. Man, it's a lot harder to get to 10 minutes than I thought. Oh my god. But I said I would do 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna have to think of something else. On the plus side, improving is a very good skill to have for like public speaking maybe and streaming, so I'm not very good at that, so I'm practicing. It's hot today. Oh, I'm sweating. It's probably like 90 degrees here, and there's not really a fan over here, so it can get hot when recording. Let's see, what else? I feel like feeds, like online feeds, are another case of spontaneity, because it's just like, oh, let's see what this video is, oh, let's see what that video is, and then hours pass and you're like, I never got to what I was originally gonna watch in the first place. Another thing that's been on my mind recently, as someone new to this, is it's really awkward to talk to yourself. I've always heard YouTubers mention that, but it's like I'm talking to someone, but it's just me here, and it's like, I already do that enough as is. I mean, what? I didn't say anything. I'm starting to think if this was a good topic or not. thoughts on the topic aside. Aside? Aside? I'm overthinking this. Not really a blog, but I did some website updates today. I don't know why I said it like that. I've been running a personal website for like my art and stuff for like about 6 months now. And today I added some rotating image banners, so like when you refresh the page, most of the time it'll switch to a different image for now. I always liked like older websites that used to do things like that, where you would refresh the page and it would have a different banner or a different quote or things like that. This might sound a bit, let me try again. This might sound a bit internet boomer of me, but it's like, I miss forums. It's like, sometimes you just want to talk in a thread to people and like not have to worry about how many likes am I getting today. Is anyone even gonna fucking see this? Oh no, I said the bad word. Let me try that again. Is anyone even gonna see this? If I sound anxious, I probably am. I'm like, I know I could edit all of this out, but it's like, I'll probably edit some of it going forward, but I don't know, I kind of like this vibe, so like, people can see it's not always simple. I forget if I mentioned this in the other one or not, but I've always been better at writing than speaking, because with writing it's just like keyboard go clack. I mean, with speaking, you have to say everything as you're thinking it, and for some reason that's harder. I don't know why, but it is. I lost my train of thought. Now I gotta think of something else. When people are like, why did it take you so long to start? This is why. I can barely talk for 10 minutes, let alone a full several hours stream. And it's not because I have nothing to say, although sometimes I don't. I'm just not good at talking. Like, when I get going, I can talk for a long time. It's just feeling very meta, but it is what it is, okay? This is the meta episode. Let's say that. Spontaneity / meta episode. So speaking of switching topics, let's talk about some meta stuff for a minute. Even though I'll probably regret it later. I usually do. So let's see, how about I give a quick, can't friggin' talk, how about, let me try again. How about I give you a quick recap of my experiences as a creator the past decade-ish or so, right? I'm trying to remember, it's like, when did I start? I tried DeviantArt for a while, kinda like aborted that. Not like in a bad way, just I kinda gave up on that. And then for a while, I would post stuff anonymously. And that was kind of fun, because you could just draw whatever you want or take requests for free. I know that's hard to believe, but Sometimes you just do things because they're fun, not because they make you money. I don't know why I'm laughing about that. Okay. So yeah. Then I tried Twitter for a while, several times, and I don't know, I'm not good at Twitter. I'm not good at marketing myself. This is my biggest attempt so far by like having a unified character and profile picture and color and all that stuff, you know. And speaking of spontaneity, that's kind of my thing. I just kind of go from thing to thing, persona to persona, and instead of having this huge library of work, it's just like, fuck it, frick it, start again. So I tried Twitter like at least 3 times, and then I'm like, I don't like being on Twitter anymore. I'm like, I know that's where everyone does their hashtags and challenges and contests and all that, but like I was just getting tired of it. I'm like, it doesn't feel good. Let's just put it that way. Creating to an audience of 0 often feels like you're screaming into a void. And you're like, witness me, look at my art, look at this, look at that. And it just feels like bullshit. I was gonna say this video is gonna get demonetized, but I don't have monetization, so it doesn't fucking matter. So, you know what? I'm gonna fucking swear. Oh my god. Like, it's like, is this what insanity feels like? I don't know. It's kind of ironic, but the one time I was losing my mind, I felt perfectly fine, so I don't trust that anymore. Oh my god, why? Anyways, to try and finish this in a somewhat reasonable manner. You know what? Fuck it, I'll just post this as it is. I'm not even gonna fucking edit it. I don't care if it drops off because I'm taking too long. It's like, fuck it, sometimes, in the spirit of being spontaneous, in the spirit of being spontaneous, I will upload this exactly as it is, with all the awkward pauses and laughing and stupid shit, okay? So, attempting to go back to normal from that. That's about it for today, okay? Thanks for watching, and hopefully next time I'll be a bit more chill.